Hello friends, hope you are doing well. So today's video topic is if you are getting this kind of blue screen error, startup repair, and you can see the error line, startup repair could not repair your PC. In this video, I will provide the solution of this error. So let's start. Click on this advanced option, then click on troubleshoot option, click on advanced option. Now click on this system restore option. If you have any restore point in your system, you will get a chance to restore your system in the backdate. But in my system, there is no restore point. So that's why I'm getting this error. Now cut this screen or you can cancel this option. Now move on to our next step. Again, click on this troubleshoot option. Click on this advanced option. Now select this command prompt. Now you have to type a few commands to fix this issue. So the first command is sfc /scan now. So this command will repair all the Windows corrupted files. Type this command, then press enter. This process will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Now type the next command, chkdsk /f c:. So this command will repair your hard disk errors. Type this command, then press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack /fix mbr. So this command will fix your mbr file. Type this command, then press enter. Now type the next command, bootsect /NT60 sys. Type this command, then press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack /fixboot. Press enter. Now type the next command, bootrack /rebuild bcd. Press enter. That's it. Now type exit. Now click on continue and this will fix your issue. If you are still getting the same issue, now move on to our next method. Go to this troubleshoot option, then click on this reset this PC. Now you have two options, keep my files or remove everything. So click on the first option, keep my files. If you select this option, all the data will remain safe. There is no data loss. Click on this option. Now click on the second option, local reinstall. So you can see the reset information that this will reset your operating system, but in this process all the data, all the personal files will remain safe, so there will be no data loss in this process. Click on reset to reset your operating system, and this is your final step. You can try, if you are getting the error continuously, you can try this final step. So this step, it will reset your operating system, but all the files, all the document files in your desktop will remain safe. So you can try this method. So this is all for the video. Thank you.